Explanation of the new paradigm. A revolutionary strategy for fostering more egalitarian and inclusive workplaces is the new paradigm of multicultural diversity and accessibility inclusion for individuals with disabilities. In professional settings, this paradigm combines two essential elements: multicultural diversity and accessibility for individuals with impairments, guaranteeing that all workers, irrespective of their cultural heritage or physical abilities, own equal chances for success. The new paradigm of inclusiveness and accessibility for individuals with impairments and racial diversity represent a holistic approach to fostering a more equitable and supportive professional community. By addressing both cultural diversity and accessible diversity, organizations can break down barriers, make and create workplaces where all individuals, regardless of their background or their abilities, have the opportunity to thrive.